Hello everyone. Okay, now we'll start with the pulses. In India, India is the largest producer of the pulses. Okay, and here you can see that these are the major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. Pulses are having a major vitamins in that. Okay, major pulses that are grown in India are arhar, urad, moong, masoor, peas, and grams. And okay, and these are bronze major pulses producing states are Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, UP and Karnataka. Now next topic is food crops other than the grain. Now we are going to start with the food crops other than the grain. Now first is sugarcane. Sugarcane is basically tropical as well as subtropical crop. What is tropical and subtropical? Tropical means, okay, the northern part is subtropical and the southern part is tropical area. It grown well in the hot and humid climate with a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. And irrigation is required in the region of low rainfall. Here you can see this sugarcane. This is the picture of sugarcane. Now next is oil seeds. Oil seeds means the seeds which are giving you the oil. Okay. Here we can see that in 2016 India was the second largest producer of groundnut in the world after China. Okay, after China, India was the second largest producer. And different oil seeds grown covering approximately 12% of the total cropped area of the country. Main oil seeds produced in India are groundnut, mustard, coconut, sesame. Sesame means the til, okay, and soybean, and castor seeds, cotton seeds, linseeds, and sunflower. These are the different crops through which we are taking the oils. Okay, and here, okay, these are the states. Okay, here you can find it out. Linseeds and mustards are the rabi crops. Sesame is a kharif crop in India and rabi crop in the South India. Castor seed is growth both in rabi and kharif crop. Now next we'll move to the tea. Tea is basically tea cultivation is an example of plantation agriculture, commercial farming. If we talk last videos, we have seen that commercial farming. Na? So tea is also example of commercial farming. It is also an important beverage crops introduced in India initially by the Britishers. We have seen that India was a colony of Britishers from 1857 to 1947. Okay. During that particular period, the Britishers used to drink the tea. So at the same pattern, the Indians are also following at present also. Okay. So here you can see these pictures also for seeds, oil seeds, groundnuts and all this. Okay. Here we can find it out some major producing states of tea are Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh, Tripura. All these are the tea producing area. Okay, we'll start with the coffee in the next video.